Hello, this is Epi from Epi Vibes, and I am going to talk to you about something that if you are a lazy cook that wants to be healthy, will make your life freaking awesome. You ready? This bad boy is Big Mama. That's right, I call her Big Mama. Why? Because she reminds me of somebody's loving old school grandmama. She is sturdy, she holds more than she seems to be able to, and she provides you with plenty of sustenance. Here's how. First of all, it is a non-stick pot, which makes life hella easy. Because, do you know how many calories are in a tablespoon of olive oil? It's not 20. It's not 30. Oh, baby. It is actually 120 calories. And how much do you want to bet that you cook with more than 1 tablespoon of olive oil if you are cooking with olive oil? Maybe you're the type of person that uses spray. Good on you. But you can skip the oil altogether if that's something that you're interested in by using Big Mama because of this wonderful, healthy, non-stick coating. Now, non-stick pots and pans have gotten a bad rap in the last 10 or so years. But this bad boy is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. So when you're heating it up, you don't have to worry about these nasty chemicals leaching into your food. So this is where the lazy part comes in. I hate to cook. I am lazy about cooking, and I try to stay out of the kitchen as much as possible. This translates into me doing meal prep about once a week so that I don't have to be in the kitchen, guys. So how does this help? Well, as I said, this holds 5 quarts worth of food. I can usually fit about 3 bunches of kale in there. Or if I want to do a 1 skillet meal, I can do a 1 skillet meal in there. Or I can make a soup, chili, anything. It comes in handy and I can prep a lot of food at one time. So I love it for that reason. Also, if you're the type of person that really likes to get their scrub on with their stainless steel and toxic chemicals in the kitchen, this is not the pan for you. Oh no, because all you need to do is actually run some hot water over your pan once you're done with it. Put a little bit of soap. Use the backside of a non-scratch scrubby sponge, and it comes super clean, super quickly. So it's very convenient. So if you want to be in and out of the kitchen, this right here is the pan for you. Now, with all really great things, there are some warnings to take under consideration. I love this skillet so much that I encourage my boyfriend to buy it. But he treated his a little bit differently from the way that I've treated mine. Ooh. This is what happens when you put oil with high heat on the skillet. It kind of gives you this little finish that's really hard to take off. But the directions also kind of tell you to not deep fry and also not to use high heat on the skillet. If you're the type of person like me that often uses nonstick cookware, you have probably had the experience where you've burned something in your nonstick skillet and you've messed the finish all up. So despite the outside of this being a little bit rusty, on the inside, it has survived. Because let me tell you, I burn things all the time. In fact, I did this the other day. So you know that I burn food in my pots often. I burn things. It's irresponsible. And every single time I burn something, I'm like hoping for the best with the inside. But my pot has also survived, okay? It's fine. It continues to cook and things are not sticking to the inside of it. I am not being paid to endorse Greenlife, but I really would like to take this time to endorse Greenlife and tell you it's super affordable. It's sold on Amazon at Walmart for around $30. It's a great investment. And if I had to get rid of all the rest of the cookware in my kitchen and just have this one thing, I would be completely fine. Again, if you are a lazy cook or somebody that's trying to be healthier, or maybe you're a lazy person that's trying to be healthy, Go get yourself one. This is the frying pan for you.